Right now, from the Mississippi Live Weather Center, here's meteorologist Gabe Maynor.
Meteorologist Gabe Maynor here doing an update on what we're seeing on radar right now. Caleb, if you want to go ahead and send it over. Yes, perfect. So what we're seeing right now on our Mississippi Live Weather Radar is over here in northwest Alabama. We're talking about parts of Franklin County and moving into Florence, Alabama. So folks at UNA going to be seeing a little bit more of this here shortly. But primary area that we're watching is this leading edge right here. You can see right there on your screen where this is going to be producing anywhere from 60-mile-an-hour winds on that leading edge. And let me grab the mouse here real quick so we can go through this. So it'll be this one right here. So I want to do a squall line on this. It's not moving overly fast. I would say 20 to 30 miles an hour, and we're going to go ahead and put 30 on this just to be on the safe side and stay out ahead of this storm. So as we extend it, about 30 right there, you see McGeetown, Kimbrough Crossroads over the top of you right now. Glendale Estates closer to 325, Mansion View 325, Hawk Pride 327, continuing to move eastward Underwood by 328, Briarcliff 329, Twin Oaks by 329, and Heathrow by 330. Continuing to move east, we can see, folks, about 330, Frankfort, Forest Hills, Fairview, and New Bethel. So what we're going to see with this is strong gusty winds, but this has been something that's been progressing across the area, some lowering across it, but not expecting a significant tornado threat, really no tornado threat at all. Whenever we pull up winds, let me go ahead and do that right here. Give me 1 second. So looking at winds along that leading edge, I'm not overly impressed, and I want to go out of if we can get, I don't know if we have, yeah, looking at that, I don't think we have Huntsville's radar. So this is looking out of Columbus. So it is a bit of a ways away, but even those winds, what we're talking about, those strong wind gusts, not showing anything, but this is way high up in the atmosphere, so bear with it. But about 10 to 20 miles an hour, high up in the atmosphere. What's reaching the surface, probably about 40 to 50, especially looking at radar out of Huntsville as well. So going to change it back to regular precipitation mode so you can see what exactly is taking place. And the main part that I would be the most, I'm not going to say concerned, but the most aware of is back here along Rock Creek and 247 near Burnstown, Minot, Newsom Springs, and Rock Creek. Look at the amount of lightning that we're seeing. I'm going to head over to this side and show you total strikes that we're seeing is 182. So this is a healthy thunderstorm as it continues to move east towards Rock Creek and Newsom Springs and Red Rock. So if you know of anyone in there, I know this is far northwest Alabama. Folks at UNA, a lot of the students actually headed home, so luckily not too many people up around that region. But Franklin County, that's the primary area that we're seeing. Zooming this out and doing one last storm track for folks in Franklin County to give them an idea of what to expect. I'm going to pull this right here, do one last squall line so you guys can kind of get an idea on this timing, when you'll hear a rumble of thunder, and go ahead and bring any loose objects that you guys have outside, inside, to be on the safe side. So there you see New Bethel 335, Frankfort 336, Crooked Oak 337, on to Sheffield by 340, Tuscumbia 341, River Oaks by 342, Cliff Haven closer to 343, and that's just the time frame that we're seeing for this thunderstorm, this severe thunderstorm warning, in place until, I believe, 4 o'clock. Let me make sure that is 4 o'clock on that. Zooming things out real quick. 4:15, there you go. So for far northwest sections of Alabama, you've got that time frame right there. So Muscle Shoals, Florence, Russellville, and Littleville. You're going to be seeing rumbles of thunder here in the next 15 to 20 minutes. So go ahead and download the Mississippi Live Weather app to get the latest on these alerts. But go ahead and head inside, let the storm pass on over. Not expecting a tornado threat, but definitely some gusty winds and even some small pieces of hail. We're continuing to monitor this behind the scenes, but we wanted to provide you a Mississippi Live Weather update on what to expect. And hopefully you guys are staying weather aware as these storms continue to progress across northern sections of Mississippi and northwest sections of Alabama.
Life doesn't always give you time to change the outcome. Prediabetes does. With early diagnosis, prediabetes can be reversed. Take the 1-minute prediabetes risk test today. Go to doihaveprediabetes.org.
Hear that? That's the sound of your life. But every time you drive after drinking, the music gets drowned out.